Hi everyone, so today's video is a video response to Dulce Candy's green eye tutorial that she just posted. And what can I say? It's a green eyeshadow tutorial. If you like this look, or if you saw her video and you really liked it, then just watch my video to... Oh, that's my daughter in the background if you can hear her. But watch my video as my response to hers, and stay tuned to get this look. It's like a jade green, and this black color here for under the eyes, and it has some gold sparkles in it. We're going to use that for underneath. We're going to use this pink color for the all over shadow up to from the eyelids, crease, and up to the brow bone. And then, since I don't have any gold eyeliner, we're going to dust this gold color here on top of our eyelids just to give it more shimmer. I'm going to prime my eyes with the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. I'm going to use that pink color all over my eyelid, crease, and up to the brow bone, and it does have some gold specks in it, which is what we want because we want this green. This is a very nice green look that we're achieving, and it's nice with the gold. So dipping my eyeshadow brush into that green, I'm going to pat the color onto my eyelid first. Pat it also into the crease before you start blending it. Get that black, the gold sparkle in it, and using a smaller eyeshadow brush. Right here I'm using a shading brush. This is probably the smallest brush that I have right now. I'm going to go underneath my eyelid on the lower lash line and just apply the color. Now, using the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide on Eye Pencil in 0, I'm going to use this on my waterline and tightline as well. Bobbi Brown Longwear Gel Eyeliner in black ink. Using the gold color from the palette, I'm going to dust it over my ring finger and just pat it all over my eyelid. Mascara, which I'm using, the one I'm using is the Falsies Volume Express by Maybelline, and this is the waterproof one. There you go. That's the eyes. Very subtle green, which is what we're going for as a response to Dulce Candy's video. So you can stop here, or if you want to continue, as I still need to finish putting on my face makeup, just keep watching. But yeah, so my face is primed. Now I'm going to apply my liquid foundation, Match Master and NC40. Just shake it up a little bit, and I'm only going to use like a pump and a half because this is summer. My face is pretty tan, but I still have redness around my cheeks, not from like sun exposure. It's just naturally that my face is like there's discoloration on my cheeks, especially like here. It's a little red, and then especially here underneath my mouth. So I'm not going to use too much product on my face. So a pump and a half. And I'm going to use my Real Techniques stippling brush. So just pat the product onto here like so, and just gently tap the product onto your face. And blend. This is my concealer. I'm going to be using the Smashbox High Definition Concealer in medium. I'm going to use it underneath my eyes a little bit, and then like any places where I have some scarring that's still showing, since I only use like minimal amount of the liquid foundation. Just tap into my, this is my Bare Essentials Tinted Mineral Veil. So just tap product on over my concealer. But it's like I'm doing a W shape, right? From here to in between my eyes to here. There you go. There you go. So last thing I'm going to apply is Tarte's Amazonian Clay Lip Gloss in the color Tipsy. Apply it, click, 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 oops. Apply it all over my lips. And like I said, you know, you want your eyes to be the center of attention for this look. So either nude or very light pink gloss or lipstick or a combo of both will be good as your final touch. And yeah, that's it. Here's the look. Green eyes, subtle lips, and yeah. I hope you like this tutorial. I will post a link to DulceCandy's video of actually doing this, because this is a response to her video. And until next time, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and check out other videos that I have here on my channel. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.
Honey, it's enough. Honey. Yeah, no more. No more. No more. No more, please. Good girl. I got you. Those are cool. You want mommy?